Right. Okay, guys, good evening and welcome back. So, let's start the class. I want to say everyone stay with the video, right?
Good evening, sir.
Okay, cool. So, still we are continuing the trial balance lesson. Last week we discussed about the trial balance, right? Examples, right? And today we are going to do the big calculations relevant to the trial balance, right? So, I gave many homework. Raise your hands, those who have done the homework. Homework? No one? Okay, one, two, three. Everything balanced? Oh no, right? Balanced. I think last week we finished only up to first only, right? So we didn't do the second one. Am I correct? Okay. So I just asked you to do the second one, third one, fourth one, fifth, sixth, right? Seven, these things. I'm going to do these things in the paper revision class. Okay, guys? Right? So this Wednesday I will do these things in the paper revision class, right? Okay, let's go to the example in page number 194. Example in page number 194, right? So in my tute, so I kept space to do the things, right? I have already, you can see, structures are there, cash book with the discounts column. Okay, first of all, before read the question, what I want to tell you, just see the requirements in here. You can see the requirements in here. තමයි හොඳට ස්ක්‍රීන් එක පේනව නේද? Hello, right? අවුලක් නැහැ, right? Okay, so cash book with discounts columns, bank account with discounts columns, purchase journal, sales journal, and relevant ledger accounts, and the trial balance, right? So this is the full package, right? So everything included. So what I want to tell you in here, make sure to pay attention about these things, right? Okay, in here you can see like, so you can see I have draw the structures, right? So cash book with discounts column, date, receipt number, description, LF, discount allowed and the value, date, voucher number, description, LF, discount received and the amount. Understand, right? So then you can see bank account with discounts column, the same thing, right? Date, receipt number, description, LF, discount allowed and the value, date, voucher number, description, LF, discount received and the value, right? Then the purchase journal you can see in here, right? Purchase journal in here, and the sales journal also you can see in here. Are you there, guys? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay. Then you can see relevant ledger accounts also දීලා තියෙනවා. දැන් බබාලට ඔක්කොම ගහලා දීලා තියෙනවා. එකක් කරගන්න බැරි නම් ඉතින් දෙන්නේ හොම රිවර්ට් එක, right? මේ ටිකත් ඔක්කොම ගහලා දීලා තියෙනවා. You can see capital account, purchase journal, bank loan account, debtor Priyani account, debtor Imash account, creditor Surangi account, right? Creditor Vijita account, sales account, likewise everything you can see. Top rent account, discount allowed account, discount received account, ඔක්කොම ගහලා දීලා තියෙනවා. And also the last one, trial balance also you can see in here, right? So let's quickly go to the question. What I want to tell you in here, so you can see cash book we need, bank account we need, purchase journal, sales journal, and the trial balance. Am I correct? Right? These are the requirements, right? So cash book record, which means with the discounts column, there are cash transactions. Bank account means bank account need to draw means there are bank related transactions. Purchase and sales journal required means there are purchase credit purchases. Okay,
Great,
guys,
sales.
and the credit sales. Then okay, now දැන් මම කොහොමද මේ වගේ ගාණක් කරන්නේ? මම කොහොමද කරන්නේ? මෙන්න මේවයි මම කරන්නේ මේ වගේ ගාණක්. Right? This is the main thing what I want to tell you. Right? Just wait. යමින් ඉන්නෝ නිදි නෑද? Okay, just wait. Right. ඔබාන කට්ටිය අද ඉස්කෝලේ නෑ නේද? ළම ඉස්කෝලේ තිබ්බද? නෑනේ.
Yes.
Yes. Still. So when you are getting holidays,
Most probably 13th
13th.
of
I want to schedule the last lesson seminar. Shall I schedule it after the 30?
before 13th is enough.
For
Somewhat
30.
around Saturday Sunday okay because exam.
Okay. Right. So others there, Shenudi, uh, Anuti, Isara, right? Okay. Yamin only. Right. 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 Tuan. ඉදි නෑ නේද? thumbs up එකක් දාන්න බන්න දානිස්. සෙනුක. සෙනුක මල්ලි ඉන්නවද? සෙනුක මල්ලි
Inner.
ඉන්නවද? කො බාන්න පෙන්නන්න බාන්න ලස්සන ඔය මූණ දැක්කෙත් නෑ. සුන්දර මූණ දැක්කෙත් නෑ කො බලන්න. ඉදිරි දන්නේ නෑ. හරි. Okay. Now, so how I'm going to do this one? Listen to this carefully. This is really important. දැන් මේ වගේ ගානක් කරද්දී මගේ සීක්‍රට් එක තමයි මම ඔයගලන්ට කියලා දෙන්නේ. තේරෙනවද? right? සාමාන්‍යයෙන් මේ වගේ ගානක් we need to organize under chronological order. What is the term called chronological order? Which means the date order.
Date.
Yeah. So I'm going to organize the transaction. I'm going to number the transactions according to the date order, not from the transaction type. In here, you can see everything. Cash related transactions, these are the bank related transactions. These are the credit purchase and credit sales. I'm going to ignore it. I don't want it. Understand? Right? We need to organize the transactions based on the date order. First, let's see in here, these are the January month transactions, right? Let's take the year 2024, right? So it's already finished. 2024 January month transaction, right? Okay, now take a pencil and your textbook, turn to page number 149. කොන්ට ගන්න බලන්න. පෙන් පැන්සලක් ගන්න බලන්න. යමි ඉන්නෝනේ. මම තියෙන කොබාන පැන්සල් මේ දිනවනේ මම ගත්තා මගේ පැන්සල්. ඒක ලොකුයි. right? හරි. So let's draw the number the transaction. First one. මුලින්ම තියෙන date එක January 1st නේද? January 1st transactions එකයි නේද ඉන්නේ මම හරිද නම්? right? January 1st transactions එකයි තියෙන්නේ මම හරි. හරි. ඒක නිසා මම මොකද කරන්නේ? මේකට දානවා number 1 කියලා. මේකට දාන්න number 1 කියලා. right? This is number 1. It is number 1. Quickly. First transaction is number 1. Okay? Fine. Right? Then let's go to the January 1st after that, January 2nd. එකයිනේ තියෙන්නේ නේද? January 2nd එකයි තියෙන්නේ. ඒක නිසා January 2nd එකයි තියෙන නිසා January 2nd එකට number 2 කියලා දාන්න. එකයිනේ තියෙන්නේ. ඒ වගේම January 3rd එකයි තියෙන්නේ. ඒතකොට ඒක 3 කියලා දාන්න. බාන්න පල්ලෙහා තියෙනවද කියලා හරි පරිස්සමෙන් බලන්න. right? January 3rd එකයි තියෙන්නේ. ඒකට 3 කියලා දාන්න. Okay? This is number 3. Right? Then after that, January 3rd, කරාද ළමයි? hello. තුවාල ලියනවනේ. right? So January 3rd done. Then January 4th, only one, right? So it's number 4. Number it as number 4. Then January 5th, how many transactions? 1, 2, right? 2 transactions are there. So මුල්ම එකට මම දානවා number 5 කියලා January 5th. Right? But you can see there is another January 5th transaction, right? Understand? only January 5th number එකයි තියෙන්නේ නේද? January 5th එක නෙමෙයි තියෙන්නේ. Number 6. This is number 6. Okay guys, are you there? Can you hear me? Understand? Right? This is number 6. Then after January 5, January 6, how many transactions? One. Only one, right? Yeah, only that. So January 6 දෙකයි තියෙන්නේ. එතකොට මම ඒකට number 7 කියලා දානවා. Okay, guys? Done. Then January 6 done. Then January 7. 7 තියනවද ළමයි? නෑ නේද? නෑ. January 8 ගත්තොත් එහෙම ඔයාලට පේනවා 1යි 2යි 3ක් තියෙනවා. ඒතකොට මම first එකට 8 කියලා දානවා. Right? ඊළඟට දෙවෙනි එකට දානවා 9 කියලා. Right? Then third එකට දානවා 10 කියලා. Textbook. Right? Understand? Hello, can you hear me? Right? Then January 9, 1. January 9, only one, right? 10 done, now it's 11th one. Is it clear to you guys? Hello, can you hear me? Right? So then let's see the 12th one, right? 12th. Number 9 done. Then number January 9 done. January 9th is the 11th transaction. January 10th, it's the 12th transaction. 12th transaction. Right? Then January 11th, 11th is here, right? 11th is, so it's the 13th. 13th transaction. Right? Then January 12th, it is the 14th. Okay, the 14th. Yamin on 14th. Idinane? The physical cutting. Yes. Right. 14th. Then after that, January 12th done. Then January 13th, no. 14th, no. 15th, no. 16, 17, 18 is there. So January 18 is the number 15, right? Date order done. Right? Right. So 18 done. Right? It's 15. Then 20th is the 60. Okay. So after 20th, then 20 16 in here, 17, right? Then 18, the same mode. Then finally, in here, the last one, 27th is the 19. Okay, guys? Hello? Can you hear me? Right? So now I have ordered the transactions. How many transactions? තේරුණා නේද? කම්මැලි යන්නේ ගැම්මඩ ඉන්නවා. කට්ටිය පරක්කුයි ගොඩක් අය දැන් දෙන්නේ කට්ට පැලෙන්නේ. ඉස්සෙල්ලා මේ පැත්ත බලලා මෙහින් බලද්දි තව කට්ටිය ඉන්නවා. ඊළඟ දවසේ මීටින් එක ලොක් කරලා දානවා 4යි 5ට විතර. පරක්කු වෙන්න බෑ. දැන් ඔයා ස්ටේෂන් එක ට්‍රේන් එක අල්ලන්න පරක්කු වෙලා ගියොත් මොකද වෙන්නේ? ට්‍රේන් එක ආව දාලා යනවනේ. ඈ දාන්නේ එන අත දාලා නවත්තන්න වෙන්නේ. නවත්තයි මේ. එන්නවා. ඒ වගේ තමයි.
අත කැටේ.
ඔව් ඒක තමයි. පරක් වෙලා ඉන්න බෑ ඔන් ටයිම් එන්න ඕනේ. සේවයට වෙලාවට වාර්තා කරන්න ඕනේ. දැන් ඔයා අමුදාවට ගියොත් එහෙම මල කෙලියක් නේ. පරක් වෙලා આવොත් එහෙම ඉවරයි ඉතින් ආයි වෙඩි තියලා මරන්න. හරි? ලාවට එන්න ඕනේ. මොකද මෙච්චර දරුණුන්නේ නැහැ. රයිට්? තව වෙලාවට එන්න ඕනේ. පරක් වෙන්න බෑ. රයිට්. ඔව් අපි වීඩියෝ ඔන් කරලා නැති පිරිසක් ඉන්නවා වීඩියෝ ඔන් කරගන්න බලන්න බහුතරයක් ඉන්නවා. සෙනුක නැහැ, තුවාන්ට අසනීපයි, ලිසාර නැහැ, ඕ සෙනුදි නැහැ. Right. Okay. So this is the 19 now. Okay, all the things done. Now check whether your numbers. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Check the numbers. Hurry up. First one. It's page number 149. Right? Previous one. Hurry up. Right? Right, it's 1, 2, 3, right? Next one, then the 4, 5, 8, 12, 4, 5, 8, 12, 14, 16, 17, 18. මේක අපේ date order එකට ආවේ. කරනවා දොස්සෙන් පරක් වෙලා නේ යන්නේ. අපි date order එකට order කරනවා, right? You have to order the things, right? So 4, 5, 8, 12, 14, 16, 17, 18. I'll tell you what is the importance of organizing the date order, right? So 4, 5, 8, 12, 14, 16, 17, 18, right? Then next one, 9, 13, 15, 19. 9, 13, 4, 15, 19. Then 7, 10, 6, 11. Okay, 7, 10, 6, 11. Okay, look here, guys. Now I'm going to tell you why we need to organize the transaction based on the order. Look here. Can you hear me, guys? Understand? Right. Then hitanna. Okay, first think like this. You know, මුලින්ම හිතන්න දැන් මම කායද අවින්දයෙන් මම තමයි බිස්නස් එන්නවා. right? අවින්දයෙන් මම credit basis goods ගන්න. අවින්දය මගේ කවුද? credit again. තේරෙනවද? මම අවින්දයෙන් credit basis goods purchase කරොත් I need to identify අවින්දය as a creditor. Am I correct? Hello creditor, right? Okay, so now what I want to tell you in here, what is the first step, first initial stage? මුලින්ම වෙන්නේ අවින්දයා මට credit basis goods දෙන එකද අවින්දයට මම සල්ලි දෙන එකද මුලින්? credit basis දෙන එක. මං කියන එක තේරෙනවද? right? මුලින්ම date එක වෙන්න ඕනේ මෙන්න මේ කැටගරියේ තියෙන එක නේද? credit basis goods purchase නේද? am I correct? okay, ඒක තියෙන්නේ යට. තේරෙනවද? අවින්දයට සල්ලි ගෙවන එක තියෙන්නේ මේ සෙට් එකේ. තේරෙනවද? when we are paying cash to Avindya, you know, cash book credit, credit Avindya account debit. Understand? Okay, when we purchase the goods on credit basis, first we are recording in the purchase journal. ඔයාලා purchase journal එක ලියන වෙලාවෙම credit account එක credit කරනවා. right? පස්සේ තමයි purchase account එක month end එකේ debit කරන්නේ. right? So what I want to tell you, first we need to open the creditor account and credit the credit purchase amount to the creditor's account. Then we are paying the cash, we are debiting. Understand? That's why. අර date order එකට order කරාම ඔයාලට වරදින්නේ නැහැ කොහෙවත්. නැත්නම් ඔයාලට accounts පැටලිලා order කරගන්නදී හදාගන්න එක පැටලිලා like any contradiction. Correct? Okay. Hope you can understand, right? Okay, let's go to the thing, right? Now quickly go to my Tute. Quickly go to my Tute, right? Quickly go to the Tute. You can see it's Tute page. I don't know the Tute, right? Okay, number 8, question number 8, right? In Tute page. What is the Tute page, guys? Is Tute page number 4, right? Understand? Tute page number 4, right? So first of all, record the things in here. Record the date in here, 2024. Within we don't repeat in the cash book. Date column make done 2024. Okay. Then go to the bank account also. Record 2024 in here. Then we don't repeat it. Right? So then go to the purchase journal, date column, right? 2024. Same thing, sales journal, 2024. Right. Go to the ledger heading. (2024) RS RS තියෙනවා නේද? Okay, right. Now let's start. Let's start from the beginning, right? Okay. First one. What is the first one? Transaction number 1. January 11th, right? What is the transaction? You can see January 11th. Started the business by investing. Now, we are not using the number. We need the date. Number is only for our reference. Understand? Okay. So, started the business by investing 200,000, right? It's cash inflow to the business. What is the double entry? Cash book debit, capital account, credit.
Credit.
Okay, quickly go to the cash book debit side. January 1st, 200,000. Debit the cash book, write the date, January 1st. Account, capital account. No, it's 200,000. Right? 200,000. Then go to the ledger heading. In the capital account, January 1st, write it as cash book, 200,000. 200,000. Okay. Right. Then let's go to the second one. Number 2, January 2nd. Purchase goods on cash basis 85,000. What is double? Cash account credit, cash. No goods account, purchase account debit, cash book credit. So in the cash book, it's credit side, January 2nd, 85,000. Right? Second of January, purchase account, 85,000. Right? So quickly go to the ledger. You can see the purchase account in here. 2nd of January, cash book, 85,000. Okay. Are you okay with this one, guys? Right? Cash book credit, purchase account, debit. Right? Now let's go to the other one. January 3rd, open a bank current account by depositing 20,000. Opening a bank account by depositing the business cash. What is the double in? Cash book credit, bank account debit.
Debit.
Understand? Because cash asset decrease, bank asset, right? Cash book credit, bank account debit. Right? So January 3rd, 20,000. January 3rd, 20,000. Go to the cash book. Right? January 3rd, 3rd of January, write it as bank account 20,000. Go to the debit side of the bank account, 3rd of January, cash book, it's 20,000. Okay. Right. Now let's go to the other one. Number 4, our number 4, right? According to our order, right? Our number 4 is this one. Obtain bank loan 50,000. Obtain a bank loan means, you know, what is the double entry? Cash book debit by cash asset. Bank loan is a liability. When bank loan liability increase, bank loan account credit. Understand? Okay, guys. ලියන්න ඕනේ වෙන වැඩ කරන්න බෑ. Cash book debit, bank loan account credit, right? So 4th of January 50,000. 4th of January 50,000. 4th of January, bank loan account 50,000, right? So quickly go to the bank loan account, the ledger. 4th of January, right? Am I correct? Or 5th of January? 4th of January, right? 4th of January, cash book, how much? 50,000. Right. Let's go to the next one. Cash sale 150,000, right? It's number 5. Our number 5 is 5th of January. Cash sales. What is the double entry? cash book debit, sales account credit, right? So 5th of January 150,000. 5th of January 150,000. 5th of January sales account. How much? It's I can't remember the amount. What is the amount, guys? 150,000. Right? So quickly go to the ledger sales account. Sales account. Amity. 5th of January cash book 150,000. Okay. Right. Then next one. After 5, our number 6 is in here, right? Where is our number 6? This is our number based on our number order, right? Am I correct? Can you hear me? යමින් ඉරන් තාමත් එනවනේ කට්ටිය අයියෝ මේ බල්ලා මේ බලද්දි කට්ටිය වැඩි දැන් ඉලවල දාන්න right okay yeah I can come on එලවන දාමු කිව්වා right හරි okay right so next one 6th of January this is a credit purchase right from Surangi under invoice number 45 24,000. This is a credit purchase where we record purchase journal, right? Quickly go to the purchase journal. You know, purchase journal is not performing the dual function. Purchase journal. Where is my purchase journal? Purchase. This is the purchase, right? So I'm going to write 6th of January, right? Invoice number 45. Invoice number 45. From whom? Surangi. What is the amount? 24,000. No any trade discounts, right? No any trade discounts. If there are trade discounts, we need to deduct it from here. Can you remember that? Okay. And also, you know, since the purchase journal is not performing the dual function, both double entries should be recorded in the ledger. Can you remember, guys? Right? But at the end of the month, we debit the purchase account. Till that, we credit the creditors account. Creditor Surangi account 24,000. Right? Quickly go to the creditor Surangi account. Right? Creditor Surangi account 24,000. Right? So 6th of January. 6th of January. Write it as purchase account. Right? We debit the purchase account at the end of the month. Till that, keep it, right? So now the next one, number 6 done. So number 7 done. Then number 8. Where is our number 8, guys? Number 8. Number 8 is in here. අපිට එකක් හරි මිස් වුණාද නෑ number 6 done. ආනේ අපි number 6 කරේ නෑ නේද? hello අපි number 6 කරේ නෑ නේද ළමයි? hello we did the 7th right? දැන් යමු 6 කමන්නේ මේ දෙක දෙකක් නේ අවුලක්. Credit sales to Priyani under invoice number 119,000. Go to the sales journal. Go to the sales journal, right? Sales journal. This is sales journal, right? So 5th of January to Priyani, right? 5th of January. 5th of January. Number 1 to Priyani. Right? 19,000. 19,000. No, Priyani is a debtor, right? You know, at the end of the month, we credit the sales account. Till that, we need to debit the debtor Priyani account. Understand? Hello? Right? Go to the debtor Priyani account and debit the amount 19,000, 5th of Jan. Debtor Priyani account. So the date is 5th of January. 5th of January. Sales account. It's 19. Right? Number 6 done. Number 7 done. Then let's go to the number 8. This is the number 8. Payment of shop rent 20,000. Can anyone tell me what is the double it? It's under cash transactions, right? Cash account credit.
Cash account credit, rent account.
Cash account credit, rent account debit.
Debit. Quickly record it. Record it. Cash account credit. Rent account debit.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. What happened?
I was at the shop.
Okay. So I'm going to punish you.
What are you going to do?
Nothing in the chat box. You like the mullet haircut? Okay, thank you. Another one, right? Not the hands. Right. Right. Okay. Now next one. So what is the transaction? Payment of shop rent 2,000, right? Cash book credit, rent account debit, right? So go to the cash book credit side. Cash book credit. So this is the cash book credit side, right? So what is the amount? 2,008 of January. 8 of January. Rent account. Go to the shop rent account debit side, right? Shop rent account. Eighth of January. Cash book. 2,000. Okay, guys, understand? Hello, can you hear me? Right? Next one. Right. Next one. Number 9, right? Where is number 9, guys? This one. This is a bank current account related transaction, right? 8th of January. Purchase goods for sale by issuing check 15,000, right? Right? Purchase goods for sale by issuing check of 15,000. What is the double? So this is through issuing a check, right? Bank account credit, purchase account debit. Understand?
Debit.
Since we are issuing a check, bank account credit, purchase account debit. 8th of January. So bank account credit, 8th of January, right? Purchase account, how much? 15,000. Write it under amount column, right? 8th of January, 15. Then go to the purchase account debit side. Purchase account debit side, this one. 8th of January, bank account, 15,000. Right? Okay. Next one. Number 9 done. Number 10. That's number 10, guys. This is the number 10. Am I correct? Okay. This is under credit purchase from Vijita under invoice number 116,20,000. Vijita, දිනෑ නේද? කො අපේ තුවාන් විජිත නෑනේ. sheet එකේ. තුවාන්
Anything.
තුවාන්
සර් තුවන්ලා දෙන්නම නෑ.
අර එක තුවාන් කියන ටස්නී පයිලු. අනිත් තුවාන් ආවේ සීතලද?
If not, sir, these places have a huge
අබේ
storm.
I'm absolutely you're eating alone, right? Really bad, right? Okay.
Chocolate galaxy.
Wait, so I'm receiving a gift in few minutes. I'll show it to you later, right? Right. Okay. Brownies, right? Okay. Right. Okay, let's go the other one. 8th of January, from Vijita under invoice number 116,20,000, it's credit purchase, right? Go to the purchase journal. Go to the purchase journal. This is the purchase journal, right? So the date is 8th of January from Vijita, right?
සර් ටෙක්ස්ට් බුක් එකේ එක්සර්සයිස් කරන්න.
Oh.
Thank
8th
you.
of January. Invoice number 160. From Vijita. How much? It's 20,000. You know, at the end of the month, we debit the purchase account. Till that, credit the Vijita account, right? Go to the debtor Vijita account. Sorry, creditor Vijita. Sorry. We are purchasing, right? So 8th of January, credit it. Purchase account. It's 20,000, right? Okay. Right. Okay. Next one, right? So 10 done. Now 11 is the 11th one. So what is the 11th one, guys? You can see 9th of January. Sales to Imasha under invoice number 225,000. Quickly go to the sales journal. 9th of January. Quickly go to the sales journal. Ninth of January. Number 2. To whom? Imasha. No any discounts. 25,000, right? 25,000. 25,000. Right? Okay. Done? Done? Go to the data Imasha account. Debit it. 9th of January. Sales account. How much? 25,000. Right? යමේ ඉන්නෝනේ. ඉදි නෑනේ වෙනවට කරන්න බෑ. ඉඩියොන් කරගන්න. Okay, 25,000 done. So 11 done. Now let's see the 12th transaction. Where's the 12th one? Now the 12th one. Receive 16,600 from Priyani, a debtor, and the discount allowed is 400. Receive cash from a debtor, and the allowed discount how much? 400. So this is cash receipt. Let's go to the cash. Let's go to the cash. Right? We have finished the 10 done. 11th කරේ නෑ නේද ළමයි පොඩ්ඩක් ඉන්නවා. අපි 11th කරානේ. Now it's 12. Yes. Go to the cash book. Right. Cash book. You know the date is, what is the date? 10th of January, right? 10th of January. From whom? From debtor Priyani, right? From debtor Priyani. So let's write it as debtor Priyani account, right? 400 is the discount allowed amount, and the 11,600 is the received amount. ගැම්මට පේනව නේද ළම? Right? Right. Then since discounts columns are not performing the dual function, we record it at the end of the month. Can you remember, guys? Hello, right? Till that we credit the value amount 11,600. Go to the debtor Priyani account, credit side. Debtor Priyani account, credit side. Right? So what is the date, guys? Date tempo?
January 10.
10th. 10th, right? 10th of January. Cash book 11,600. 400 we are recording at the end of the month. Next one. 12 done. Now let's go to the 13. Leave the 13. Receive a check amounting 6,200 from Priyani and discount deducted was 300. This check was deposited in the bank account immediately, which means on the same date we are depositing. Understand? Okay, guys. හම්බෙන දවසේම අපි discount එක අපි හම්බෙච්ච දවසේම check එක deposit කරනවා. So then we don't need to record in the cash book. Can you remember? Right? Since we are depositing on the same date where we record bank account. Right? So quickly go to the bank account 11th of January. Bank account. Eleventh of January. From whom? Debtor Priyani, right? Debtor Priyani account. Right? 6,200 and the 300, right? So 300 is the allowed discount. 6,200 is the value, right? Quickly go to the debtor. Since discount columns are not performing the dual function, we are recording it at the end of the month. Till that we credit the debtor Priyani account 6,200, right? January 11th, bank account. How much is it? 6,200, right? මෙහෙ බලද්දි value එක මතක නැහැ කියන්නේ. ලෙඩක්ද වන්න. නේද? මේ බලලා මේ
භාග වෙලාවට වෙනවා.
ආ? මට පේන්නේ මේක මොකටද? පිටසක්වල ජීවීන්ගේ බලපෑමක්ද වන්න. මේ බලද්දි value එක මතක නැහැ නේ මට. climate ප්‍රශ්නයක් වෙන්නේ නැති නේද? සීතලට මොලේ ගන්න. ඉදිරියට මොලේ ගල් ගහිලා තියෙනවා. Right. Now the
සර්
next
chat එකක් බලන්න.
chat එක. Right. Nice photo. Thank you. Right.
සර් ඒක මම ගත්ත එකක් නෙවෙයි.
Yeah.
මේ ක්ලාස් එකේ එකේ අරගෙන තිබිච්ච එක.
Right. Okay. 13 done. Now the 14, right? Where is the 14, guys? This the 14. Right. Repayment of bank loan installment, how much? 3,000. Any idea about the interest? No, right? No any interest are there. So let's, where we record cash book credit because we are paying through cash, bank loan account debit, right? 12th of January. Go to the cash book. Twelfth of January. Bank loan account. How much? 3,000. Okay. Right. So go to the bank loan account debit side. 12th of January. Twelfth of January. Cash book. How much? Rupees
3,000.
3,000. Right. $15. Where's the 15? This. Issued a check amounting rupees 2,000 for shop rent. So what is the double entry? Cash book credit, sorry, bank account credit, because it's issuing a check, right? Bank account credit, rent account debit, right?
Debit.
2,000. So 18th of January. Let's go to the 18th bank account. January. Rent account. How much? It's rupees 2,000, right? Go to the rent account debit side. Eighteenth of January. Bank account 2,000. කැමඩ ඉන්න ඕනේ. ඉදි නෑ නේද ළම? Are you there? Okay.
සර් සීතරට නිදිමතයි වගේ.
ඊතර නිින්ද යන්නේ වලස්සුන. එහෙනම් වලහෙක් තියෙනවා. මන්ට බ්ලඩ් කියලා
එනනම් ආයෙත් දෙන්නව අලස දෙන්නෙක් වෙනවා.
ඊතර නිින්ද යන්නේ වලස්සුන. අර වෙන වලස්ස ඉන්නේ එහෙනම් පොඩි වලස් ගතියක්
මම මන් නිදිය ගන්න මන් නිදිමත නේ.
මොකා?
බොරු කියන්න එපා.
වද?
ඒක කියනවා මම වලහෙක් කියලා මන් නිදිමතයි කියලා. මන් නිදිමත නේ.
එයාර නිදිමත වෙනවා සර්.
නිදිමත නම් ගේ ඉස්සරහ පොඩි අර ගිනි මැලයක් ගහගෙන. මුළු ගෙදරම තන්නන්න ෆයර් දෙයි බලාගෙන. right? එපා එපා මටත්
මට සීතලක් නෑ.
මටත්
මම
එක්ක
ෆ්‍රිජ් එක
මටත්
ෂෙල්ටර්
එක්ක
එකේ මේ අදන් ඉන්නේ.
මටත් ඒක කුටි ගන්න වෙන්නේ ගිනි මැල ගහගෙන. සීතල නම් හොඳට පෙරව ගන්න. right? රෙද්දක් අරගෙන ආයි. ඒ දවස්වල කුණාටුවක් කියනවලු දැක්කද ලංකාවේ? ලංකාව පැත්තෙන් කුණාටුවක් යනවා දැක්කද? ලංකාව ඇතුලෙන් යන්නේ නැති වෙයි කියනවා එළියෙන් යයි කියනවා. දැන් ලංකාව මෙහෙම නම් zing ගාලා යන ලයින් එකක් තියෙන්නේ. මෙහෙම ගියොත් තමයි වැඩේ. right? අපිත් අහු වෙනවා. ගොඩක් වෙලාවට ප්‍රෙඩික්ට් කරන්නේ කොහොම යයි කියලාද? එහෙම යයි. ඇතුලෙන් ගියොත් තමයි මේ ඉන්නේ. ඈ? කොළඹට
සේතු
බලපාන.
ලස්සන නමියා වගේ
මේ
වෙනවද?
දවස්වල මම මේ අපේ උඩ තට්ටුවේ ඉඳන් කරනවා කුණාටුවට යන. ඉන්නේ නැති වෙයි.
අපිත් එන්නන්සේ සපෝට් එකක් දෙන්න.
It was a evening.
ඒ උඩ තට්ටුව නැගලා හැමෝම ආස දිහා බලාගෙන හූ ගන්න එතකොට අර කුණාටුව යනවා එහාට. හරි.
සර්ට සපෝට් එකක් දෙන්න අපිත් එන්න.
Right. Okay, next one. Student check amount in 2000 for shop and now done 15 down. Where the 60? This one. Right. Receive a check rupees 19,000 from Imasha, a debtor, right? So this is no any information about the depositing part. Am I correct? Okay. Till we deposit it, where we record in the cash book, right? So cash book debit, debtor Imasha account credit. Go to the cash book debit side. Right? So cash book debit side. So 20th of January. Debtor Imasha, right? Sorry, where are it's coming under cash book. Already bank account. Cash book. Debtor Imasha account. But within brackets, write it as check, right? Right? 9,000. Debtor Imasha account credit 20th of January. Cash book rupees
9,000.
9,000. Right. Okay, guys. Let's go to the next one. Right. Next one. 16 done. Now the 17. Paid 7,600 Surangi, a creditor, and the discount deducted was 400. It is a cash payment, right? Go to the cash book credit side. Cash book credit side. Cash book credit side. What is the date, guys? 25th of January.
January.
Right? To whom? Creditor Surangi, right? Sorry, 600 is the discount. 7,400 and the 600, right? 7,600 and the 400.
400. Discount 400.
400. Yeah. Thank you. Then 7,006. Discounts we are recording at the end of the month. Till that, go to the creditor Surangi account, debit side. Uh, 25th of January, right? Cash book 7,600, right? Number 18, receive 5% discount when money paid to settle 12% debts of Vijita. Vijita is the creditor, right? We are paying a value relevant to 12,000, but the subjected discount is 5%. You know, when it comes to 10% into 12,000, which means 1,200. Am I correct? Okay. If it is 5%, which means 600. Okay, guys, right? Half of that. So, you know, we are paying 11,400. 600 is the discount. If there is a percentage, we are recording after deducting the value. Is it clear to you guys? Right. Just wait 1 minute. Right. So now cash payment, right? 26th of January, cash book credit. January. Paying to who? Creditor Vijita. Creditor Vijita account. 600 and 11,400. Right. So go to the creditor Vijita account. ආගරි mic එකක් on. Cash book 11,400. Is it clear to you guys? Hello, can you hear me? Right.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
ඔතනටම ඩිස්කවුන්ට් කියලා ඒකේ වැලියු එක දාන්න ඇති 600 කියලා.
ඒක දාන්න මම තෙන්ඩ එක.
ඔව්.
මොකද discount column dual function perform කරන්නේ. Right. Okay. Last one 19. Deposit the check received from Imasha on 20th January 2024 in the bank current account. It's 27th, right? So quickly go to the cash book. You know the check account you can see in here. Check එක බලන්න මේදී ඉන්නේ හම්බෙච්ච එක. So 27th we are going to deposit it. So 27th of January, bank account, cash book credit, bank account debit. So 9,000. You know, we are now we are taking it out from the drawer. That's why cash book credit. Okay. Bank account debit, right? 27th of January. Cash book. How much? It's rupees 9,000. Right? Done. I think all the thing done, right? Am I correct, guys? Yes, right? Now, before balancing, you know, we need to do two things. First thing, go to the purchase journal and the sales journal, right? Get the total. What is the total of the purchase there? 44,000, right? Write the month and date, 31st of January. Write it as debited to the purchase account. Debited to the purchase account, right? Go to the purchase account and debit it. Purchase account and debit it. There's my purchase account now. 31st of January. You know, it's creditors because we are writing the common name 44,000. Right? Creditors. Already we credited the creditors account, right? So go to the sales journal. Get the total. How much?
44,000.
It's also
44,000.
44,000, right? 31st of January. What is the description? Credited to
Credited to
sales
sales
account.
account.
Credited to sales account, right? Fine. යන්න ඕනේ ළමයි වෙන වැඩ කර කර ඉන්න එපා. අපරාධ වෙලාව ඒකයි. වෙන දේවල් ඔළුවේ තියාගන්න එපා. You need to have a clear idea. Right? Go to the sales account. (31st of January). Write it as debtors. 44,000. Right? Now what we need to do, we need to record the discounts in here, right? Go to the discounts columns in here. Before balancing the others, we need to record the discounts, right? Okay. Keep two lines, balance the discounts columns, right? In here, you know, discount allow 400, discount receive 1,000. Okay. Discount allowed account debit, debtor Priyani account credit. Since this is not performing the dual function, we need to write the both double it. Right? Discount allowed account debit 400. 4 discount allowed account debit. 31st of January. Write it as debtors. It's 400, right? Debtor Priyani account credit. Transaction date. 10th of January. Write it as discount allowed. Discount allowed account. How much? 400. Okay, guys. Then go to the discount received account in here. It's 1000, right? Discount received account credit, creditors account debit, right? Go to the discount received account. Ah. 31st of January, write it as creditors. The total is 1000. But there are two creditors, creditor Surangi, creditor Vijita, 400 and 600. Right? Go to creditor Surangi and creditor Vijita. Creditor Surangi, 25th of January, write it as discount received account. How much? It's rupees 400. 27th of January, 26th, right? So 26th. Discount received account, it's rupees 9,000.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
ඔතන්ට ඩිස්කවන්් විසිය කියලා ඔත්කොමට එක දාන්න හොඳ නැත්තන් ඩිස්කවන්් කිල්ලිවර ගමන්නද
Discount received කියලා දැම්මම හරි. මේක 9,000 නෙමෙයි this is how much, guys? 600, right? Correct, right? Hello?
yes
Discount received කියලා දැම්මත් තමයි හොඳ, right? Okay, all the things recorded. Now it's the time for the balancing part. Let's balance it and prepare the trial balance, right? Right? Okay, now answers are in the textbook. Am I correct? You know, cash book එකේ debit side එකේ total එක කීයද? 420,600. 420,600. 420,600. Get the total of the credit side, then you can deduct it. It's then once you deduct the total, 282,600. 282,600. Right? 282,600. 31st of January, balance carried down. 1st of February, balance brought forward how much? 282,600. Hello, can you hear me? Right?
Yes, sir.
Go to the trial balance and write it as cash book. Cash book. $282,600. Debit side. Correct it as 2024, right? Understand? Okay, right? 282,600. Now let's go to the bank account. Go to the bank account in here, right? Bank account එකේ discounts දැම්මේ නෑනේ. I forgot it. You know, write the bank account discount as well. Allowed, right? මේකත් දාලා ඉන්නලම. You know, there are 300 in here. ඒකේ discount තියනවා. Hello. Don't forget it. There are 300 discount, right? Yeah, in bank account එකේ 300 discount තියනවා, right? Write it under discount, allowed account debit, debtor priyani account credit, right? Discount allowed account credit. So discount allowed account debit, discount allowed account දාන 3 වෙනම දැම්මත් කමක් නැහැ, එකට දැම්මත් කමක් නැහැ. $300, 31st of January, debtors, right? Go to the debtor priyani account credit side. So debtor priyani account credit කොබන් debtor priyani account credit කරන්නත් එක balance වෙන්නේ නැහැ. 11th of January, discount allowed, 300. Understand? එකත් ලියන්න නැත්තම් balance වෙන්නේ. Right?
සර් ඔය කෑෂ් account එකේ discount allowed එකයි bank account එකේ discount allowed එකයි දෙක එකතු කරලා ලියන්න බෑද?
එක ලිව්වත් කමක් නැහැ. අවුලක්. Right? Now what is the total of the bank account? 35,200, right? 35,000. අට ඉන්නවනේ පොඩි සද්දයක් දාන්න බෑ. ආයුධය ගන්න.
Yes, sir.
200.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
35,200. Video on කරන්නේ. Right? So 35,200. Make a discounts, man. In here, credit side, it's 17,000. So once you deduct it, 18,200. It's 18,200. 31st of January, balance carried down. February 1st, balance brought forward how much? Rupees 18,200. So bank account 18,200 debit side. Bank account 18,200. Exam එකේ මෙච්චර ඒවා දෙන්නේ නැහැ. එහෙනම් පෑ දෙකම වට මේක තමයි කර කර ඉන්නේ. Right? යම්මඩ ඉන්න ඕනේ. Right. Let's go to the other one. Bank account done. We can't balance the purchase journal since not performing the dual function. Sales journal we can't balance it since not performing the dual function. Right? So now it's time for the ledger accounts. Let's balance the ledger account. right? Okay. Right. So get the total in here. 200, 200. So the 31st of January, balance carried down 200,000. February 1st, balance brought forward how much? 200, right? So capital account 200,000. Capital account, you can see credit side 200. Are you there, guys? Can you hear me? Right?
Yes, sir.
Now the next one, purchase account. How much the total of the purchase account? You can see 144,000, right? 144,400. Hundred and 44,400. 144,400. And it's zero, right? 144,000. It's only 144,000. 31st of January, balance carried down. The lower value side 0, 144,000. 1st of February, balance brought forward 144,000. Purchase account debit side 144,000. Go to the trial balance, right? Purchase account 144,000. Okay, guys. So I'm not going to balance everything, huh? It's wasting our time, right? So in here, you know how to balance it. Higher value side, credit side, it's 50,000. Right in the both side, 50,000. Deduct 50,000, 3,000, it's 47,000, right? 31st of January, balance carried down, BCD. 1st of February, BBF 47,000, right? Bank loan account 47,000. Done, right? Then debtor Priyani account, debit side 19,000. Am I correct? Right? Yes, 19,000. I think credit side total is 18,500, right? Yeah, it's 19,000 in here, 19,000 in here. In here, 18,500. So it's 500 31st of January, balance carried down. 1st of February, balance brought forward. How much it's rupees? None, hope you are here, right? 500. Debtor Priyani account 500. Okay. Now debtor Imash account. Debtor Imash account. 25,000 in here. In here also 25,000. Deduct 9,000 from 25,000, then it's 16,000, right? 16,000. 31st of January, balance carried down. 1st of February, balance brought forward. Data Imasha account 16,000. So once we balance the creditor Surangi account, in here 24,000. Okay, so in here also 24,000. Lower value side it's 8,000, right? So when we deduct 8,000, it's 16,000, right? 16,000. Just wait. Right. So in here, it's 16,000. Thirty-first of January, balance carried down. 1st of February, balance brought forward. Creditor Surangi account 16,000. Right? Then check the next one, guys. Creditor Vijita. In here 20,000. In here 20,000. Once we deduct it, it's 12,000, right? So it's 8,000. Am I correct? Hello? Can you hear me, guys? Go video nani. Godakai. Are you there? Turn on the videos.
Yes, sir.
Right. So it's 31st of January. Balance carried down. 1st of February. Balance brought forward. How much? It's rupees 8,000. Right. Creditor Vijita account 8,000. Check with it. Right. Now the next one. You can see sales account how much? 194,000. Okay. Sales account 194,000. 194,000. 31st of January, balance carried down. 1st of February, balance brought forward. It's 194,000. It's the sales account. Okay, guys? Are you there?
Yes, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
සර් ඕකේ ඩෙටර්ස් ප්‍රියාණී ඉමාෂගේ කවුන්ට්ස් දෙක එකතු කරලා 16,500යි කියලා දාන්න බැයිද?
බෑ ඩේටර්ස්ලා දෙන්නේ දෙන්නටම දාන්න ලයින්ස් දෙකක් ඩේටර්ස්ලා දෙන්නේ කොහොමද අපි මර්ජ් කරන්නේ
නෑ ඒක බ්‍රැකට් අතර දැම්මොත් එහෙම ඉමාෂා ප්ලස්
එහෙම බෑ දෙන්න වෙනම අයිඩෙන්ටිෆයි කරන්න නැත්නම් අපි චෙක් කරද්දි හරි අමාරු වෙනවා තේරෙනවද because we need to collect the cash from separated from them no? Okay, so shop rent I'm not going to balance, it's 4,000, right? Rent account it's 4,000, it's debit side 4,000, right? Then you can see discount allowed, it's debit side how much? It's rupees 700, right? You can balance it. Discount allowed 700. Then when it comes discount received, it's 1,000. Credit side. Once we balance it, we can get to know what is the total. You know the total is both sides are balancing to rupees 466,000. 466,000. More 2 hours we sacrificed, right? Finish it and raise your hand. Okay, guys. Initial and response others. Hurry up. Avindya, Benuri, Tuan, Tenudi, Indi, Yaminon, Idinani. අපේ චූටි අක්කගේ නම all done, right? Okay, so Benuri, take a screenshot. Tenudi and Indi, all done, right? Okay, now what I want to tell you, it's like huge process. Exam එක මෙච්චර ඉන්නේ නැහැ. දෙකට එනනම් හදන්න වෙන්නේ උච්චරයි. Video on කරන් ඉන්න නම්. Right, I want to see everyone, please, last minutes. Stay with the video. Hello. Right? So what I want to tell you in here, you need to do other things as a homework, right? Okay. අනිත් ඒවා ටික homework විදියට. Right. Okay. Now activity done. We have already finished, right? Am I correct? So you know you can do this second one. හැබැයි මෙන්න මෙතන පොඩි ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා second one එකේ. ඒවා homework විදියට කරද්දි බලන්න. ඔයාලට පේනවද? දැන් ඔයා date chronological order එකට order කරද්දි ඔයාලට මෙතනත් dates තියෙනවා. මේ other information check deposit dates වෙනම තියෙනවා. Understand? Hello, can you hear me? Right? You need to assign numbers for these two as well. Understand? තේරෙනවද නම්? Right? අර ඔයා date order කරද්දි මේකේ numbers උත් දෙන්න ඕනේ. තේරෙනවද? And the other thing in here, you can do another one as a homework. දැන් මේව මම ගහලා දීලා නැහැ, ඔයා ගහන්න ඕනේ. මේකක් තියෙනවා තවම ගත් එකක් ඒකත් කරන්න. මේ දෙකම කළා මට ඒවල ටැලි කරලා එවුවොත් වැඩිත් තමයි. ඒ කියන්නේ මම අවුරුදු දෙකක් මහන්සිලා ඔයගොල්ලන්ට අවුරුද්ද මේ මහන්සිලා උගන්වපු ඔයගොල්ලෝ හොඳටම තේරෙනවද? Can you do this both? Hello? Hope you will do the both, right? ගහලා මට ෆොටෝ ගහලා එවන activity 2 and this Hima's business, right? Do the both before the next Monday. This Wednesday, I'm going to do some activities relevant to the trial balance, understand? Right? And make sure sooner your examination will be conducted, right? Okay, so let's meet on this Wednesday and next Monday. Thank you for participating. Right?
Good night. Have a nice day, sir.
God bless us.
Thank you, sir. God bless
Thank
you.
you. Goodbye.